What was that? Huh? Can you repeat that? Do you find yourself saying these things when trying to hear others around you? I'm Gina with WTI, and my husband has had moderate hearing loss for a few years. So he was so delighted to try out this Nano over the counter hearing aid from Cearvol. First off, this is very uncomplicated and simple to use. There are buttons on the case itself that you can use to adjust the volume and switch between different scene modes. This was helpful when we were recently at a wedding. We were outdoor for the ceremony, indoor for the reception, so it could fit all of those different scenarios just with the touch of a button. My husband likes that it does adjust nicely when there are unexpected loud noises. Secondly, this is so discreet, so it really just looks like you're wearing a pair of earbuds. These are small and comfortable. The Nano is an FDA registered over the counter hearing aid that is very budget friendly. Of course, if you're experiencing hearing loss, it's best to consult a doctor or a hearing professional in order to get that checked out. There's really no reason to go through life wondering what people are saying. This Nano hearing aid is wonderful because it's comfortable, it's great value, it's easy to use. It may be small in size, but it's smart inside. And that's my point of view.